Afternoon all, this is Crafty Coder with DualSport Maps. I wanted to show off the latest cockpit version here. I've got a new OtterBox that I've been testing out. So far I like it. It's pretty durable. It's got a screen cover to protect from dust. It's got a hard box, and then it's wrapped around by this rubberized boot, and the boot slips in to make a watertight seal. Well, not watertight, but water resistant seal. I wouldn't want to submerge this thing, which I've been known to do on this bike, but short of that I think it will be just fine. Nothing that a plastic bag zip tied to the top of it wouldn't fix though. You got access to the remote control here, and I think I'm really gonna like this. I need to get out on the trail, so I'm gonna give it another shot, but so far so good. Turn it up, bike's on, remote turns on the app. We'll zoom in on the screen here a little bit. Got the shade of relief map on. You can zoom in a tad. You can adjust the MVUM on and off. This is all done with the remote, by the way, which I think you've seen before. So when you're out on the trail, you can do that pretty easy. If you need to look around some, look where you're going, you can use the joystick. Zoom in a little bit, show a little perspective, how the map's laid up. So I'm thinking this is much better. The glare is not nearly as bad as on the Aquabox. It's not as watertight, but I think it's a pretty good compromise between watertight and generating a lot of heat. Well, it doesn't generate heat, but it conserves it. Actually will dim the screen if you wait too long in the Aquabox. But this one doesn't have that problem. It's got venting holes in the back, and it's not nearly as well insulated from temperature. So we got pretty good shock resistance, but I don't think I'd want to test it losing it off the bike. But it's well latched onto with these fingers, so I'm not worried about that though so far. So anyway, good evening guys.